Hi guys, this is Adam from Adrenaline Cycles again, and we're here to discuss the X3 today. And one of the problems that we've seen in the last 3 years is the intake noise that's inside the cab when you're riding around in the trails. Everybody knows that when you get around 5,000 RPM, you get that resonance, that sound inside the cab. Well, we've been working on a product here and testing it, and we've developed what we call the Air Kit, the Air Intake Relocation. And what you get is 3 components: a rear air intake grill, which is come in the kit. You also get a intake air block-off plate, which is right here, which is really nice. And you also get a piece of foam material that is to help deaden the sound inside the cab. With these 3 kits, you'll be able to cut the sound down in half. And I'll show you here on this buggy how it's installed and how simple it really is. Here's your rear intake cap, and we have our grill installed in red here, just so you guys can see it, and it pops really good on the video. Basically, you can take this part off your X3, you can set it down. You'll be supplied instructions with a nice template and 5 self-tappers. It'll go on here, nice clean install. It'll look factory in the black. You'll probably never even see it when you get it out on the trail, but you will notice the sound difference. Like I said, another part of the kit's up here in the cab. We'll go over it. Supply a block-off plate in black. It installs with 4 plastic push pins like you find common on the X3. And then the foam will be in behind this. With all this kit installed, what you get is a reduced noise inside the cab, and that's really important, especially if you're trying to carry on a conversation with your passenger in the buggy with you. This kit will be available by the end of March, and what we'll have is $124.99 on these kits. You'll be able to get them by calling in, going on our Facebook page and talking to the guys there, or you can go to the link below in the description here and be able to click on it and purchase it. It's a great product, guys. It's going to solve that annoying ringing sound you have, and I hope to see you guys on the trail.